Hola, 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 gang. This is called halasana. But my body is screaming already. But I still try. Be it for parkour, fitness, or property, I like to play. But I don't anyhow play. This rope looks very innocent. Once you hold it, suddenly your body starts questioning your life choices. My hands say can, my legs say maybe, my weight say good luck, baby. And parkour is same like property. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to move one step at a time. With proper guidance, of course. People see me doing parkour and they will say, wow, Riyan, Gila-gila. Correct, I am Gila-gila. But I don't play for fun. When I play seriously. Then in the gym, same thing. I lift, I stretch, I struggle. And I make noise. Sakit lah! But my mind say, continue lah! We are building something! Because results don't come in one lucky day. Results come from showing up again and again and again. Well, and that's the same as real estate. I may be gila-gila on camera. But when it comes to financial figures, I super serious liao. When my company sent me this, I would like to thank to all my 31k followers from all various platforms and all my clients. You all are truly my happy pill. Gila-gila outside, calculator mode inside. Hasta la vista. Ciao for now. Bye.